So eventually those money managers are going to be right. Eventually there's going to be a better opportunity somewhere else. Sometimes, on Wall Street, when you're early, Bill, you know this better than anyone, you're wrong. So if people have been investing there, they've been wrong. So Steve Leisman just opened up saying, about a lot of the domino effects that are happening globally. Seema touched on how much money is coming out of emerging markets. That means that it's coming out of there and it has to go someplace. These money managers are paid to manage money, not watch markets. The money is still coming here. We're still the best house on a block that has slowing growth globally, and that's probably the way it's going to stay for quite some time.
The U.S. market has been positioning itself in a very defensive posture, understandably so. As we go into the new month here, and again, I'll repeat the old saw that September is traditionally the worst month for the stock market in the United States, even though a lot of traditions have been falling by the wayside the last few years. But do you go with the strength in this market right now, or do you start looking for value opportunities? What do you think?
So I'm in the chemical space, so I've been early there, so I am wrong. So I've been wrong, and I do believe that that's going to be the rebound trade or the catch-up trade. And I don't know, I think Dudley, everything that we've discussed on every desk and on every trading floor in the last week or so, Dudley kind of opened up the possibility, and Tony Dwyer said this the other night on Fast Money, for the Fed to have cover and go 50 basis points this time around. That was not in the cards prior to Dudley. I think they have to prove that they're not solely against Trump and they aren't a political body or agency. So I think it does open up 50 basis points. If 50 basis points happens, Bill, Trump has cover to kind of wait until the new year, until we're closer to the election to get a deal done. So while you could see softening headlines on trade, he doesn't necessarily need a deal before the year is over. If we get a deal before the year is over, you could see 3,000 in the S&P very easily. We're right there. You could see 3,100. I've looked at some technical retracement levels. That gets me to about 3,085, 3,100 in the S&P cash. That would really steal the heart of bears, which has already been stolen pretty much.
Even the chemicals would go higher at that
so
point.
Machiavellian.
Even the chemicals. And then that's right. I try to add something for you, Kelly. It's very highbrow with you and Bill, so I have to really be on my toes, and I often fall short.
As well you should. No.